Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. In Bhubaneswar, Orissa, an army major and his fiancée have accused Orissa police of custodial abuse and molestation. The allegations have sparked outrage, with the army taking serious note of the situation. Orissa DGP YB Khurania have ordered a crime branch investigation to probe the incident. The incident occurred on the night of September 14 when the couple, who were driving home from the women's workplace, were allegedly attacked by the group of miscreants. According to reports, the attackers, traveling in 3 cars, verbally abused and physically assaulted the couple before fleeing the scene. Seeking immediate help, the couple rushed to the Bharatpur police station at 3 am, expecting swift action. The couple claimed that the police officers on duty refused to take immediate action and instead insisted that they file a written complaint before the proceeding. When the army officer, a major posted in West Bengal, requested to speak with the higher authorities at the police commissionerate, the situation reportedly escalated. Tensions mounted, and what followed were the allegations of serious misconduct by the police personnel present. The major's fiancée, a local techie, alleged that she was taken into a separate room by a female police officer, where she was stripped, molested and physically assaulted. In a disturbing account, she also claimed that a male officer entered the room, using derogatory language and threatening her. Meanwhile, the major was allegedly detained for over 10 hours and physically manhandled by the police personnel. The couple accused the police of wrongful detention and mistreatment, sparking outrage within the army community. These allegations prompted swift action from the Indian Army, which took the matter up with the state authorities. In response, DGP Khurania transferred the investigation to the State Crime Branch on Tuesday. A special 5-member team led by the DSP Narendra Bahera has been formed to investigate the incident. DCP Bahera confirmed that the investigation has begun and that everyone involved will be questioned. Case details have been collected from Bharatpur police station as the part of a probe. The Central Command of the Army also released a statement on X, formerly known as Twitter, expressing concern over the incident and confirming that they have raised the issue with the Orissa state authorities. The allegations of custodial abuse and molestation have drawn nationwide attention. In their defense, Bhubaneswar police officials have denied the couple's claims. DCP Prateek Singh stated that the police personnel did not mistreat the army officer or his fiancée. Instead, he alleged that the couple misbehaved with the on-duty staff and that the fiancée assaulted a female cop and damaged a computer at the station. As a result, she was arrested. Singh maintained that the couple refused to cooperate with the breathalyzer test, despite the police suspicions that they had consumed alcohol. 2 liquor bottles were also found in the couple's car, as reported by the police personnel. Additional DCP Suresh Chandra Patra echoed these sentiments, stating that the couple refused to lodge a formal complaint against the hooligans, who had allegedly harassed them on the road. He claimed that the couple started arguing with the police when asked to follow the protocol and file a written complaint. The Patra also mentioned that the army officer was served a notice and released after complaining of illness during his detention. On the other hand, the couple maintains that they were mistreated and have questioned the medical examinations to corroborate their claims. The major's fiancée was taken to SUM hospital, where she reportedly showed visible signs of bruising and injuries. However, the couple alleges that their medical report was not provided to them. Upon returning to the police station after their medical examination, they claimed that they were pressured to issue an apology, which they refused. Given the conflicting accounts of what transpired that night, the crime branch's investigation will be critical in determining the truth. With the allegations of custodial abuse on one side and the claims of non-cooperation and misbehavior on the other, the case has become highly contentious. The investigation will likely look into whether the standard procedures were followed by the police, the legitimacy of the couple's accusations, and whether the police overstepped their authority. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.